Morning, this is Mr. Kosanki, your Algebra A teacher. Just wanted to give you a brief update on where we are at currently in class and with parent-teacher conferences. So we currently just finished up Unit 1 today, actually, and we'll finish that up tomorrow with the other half of our students. So that was our last quiz for Unit 1. Where we're going next, we're going to get into Unit 2, which is equation solving. We will do single-step equations, multi-step. We get into literal equations, which is formulas, area, volume, so forth. We do some ratios and proportions, and then we'll finish that up with inequalities. After Unit 2, we will transition into graphing linear equations. So we'll talk about slope and the concept of slope, graphing lines, systems of equations. So when we have more than one line where they intersect, how we graph them, how we find that solution point, parallel and perpendicular lines, as well as linear inequalities. I want to take a moment to talk briefly about next school year. I know it's hard to imagine we're in October and we're almost November and we're talking about next school year, but signing up for courses is going to take place relatively soon. And so the course that your son or daughter should sign up for next year at Germantown High School is Algebra B. That is the continuation of this course as the second half of regular algebra, and then that will prepare your son and daughter to take geometry the following year. So Algebra B is the next course in the progression here at Germantown High School. If you have any questions on that, please reach out to me via phone or email. And lastly, I did want to touch base on parent-teacher conferences. They are next Thursday, November 5th from 4 to 8 p.m. Due to the current restrictions with COVID, parent-teacher conferences this semester are 100% virtual. Each teacher at Germantown has 23 time slots available. They are 9-minute time slots. So basically it's every 9, then a minute break to load up the next conference for the next parent. You may sign up at Skyward anytime at your convenience. That schedule is posted, or should have been an email that came out from the district. I believe that went out Wednesday afternoon. If the online format does not work, you can always reach out to me or Mr. Stuvey via email or phone at any time for a progress report on your son or daughter. If you have questions, we'll certainly get back to you. If you have any issues with signing up for conferences, please reach out and we can manually schedule that too if need be. So that's our rundown. I hope all is well, and want to wish each of you a happy weekend and happy Thanksgiving right around the corner. Thank you.